Hey chat, welcome to the new stream. I hope we are live now. Yes, we are live. Hey chat, welcome to the new stream. I hope we are live now. Yes, we are live. Hey chat, we are a bit late today because why not? We can start anytime we want because most of the people watch at this time only. Okay, let's start with our ritual like we do always. Today I solved one problem in the afternoon, and then I tried to solve another one which I could not. We will finish that. Okay, let's start with our stream now. You are given. Wait a minute, chat. Wait a minute. Should I decrease my this size? No, it's perfect. It's perfect. You are given two integers. You are given two integers x and k. Grasshopper starts in a point 0 on an x-axis. In one move, it can jump some integer distance that is not divisible by k. Okay, two integers which is not divisible by to the left or to the right. What is the smallest number of moves it takes the grasshopper to reach point x? What are these moves? If there are multiple answers, print any of them. You are given two integers x and k. X and k we are given starts in point 0 on OX axis. Okay. It can jump some integer distance that is not divisible by k to the left or to the right. So this. Okay. What is the smallest number of moves it takes the grasshopper to reach point x? What are these moves? And if there are multiple answers, print any of them. X and k is given where we were given two integers. Starts in point 0. Points in this, but which is not divisible it can take 9 and 1 which are not divisible by multiple outputs can be present, right? If there are multiple outputs, print any of them. Or to the right. 10 and 3 10 4 and just 4. Okay, basically if the number is second number is not equals to the first number, then we directly print the output 1 and then the number itself. If it is what we do is if we have 10, right, then and which it should not be divisible by 2, the moves that we take. So what we take is, if 10 by 2 is divisible by 2, then we take is, the first move we take is 10 minus 1, and then what we take is, which is 9, and then we take 10 minus what is the first output, which is 1, we get 10, and then I think I can code this directly now. I have to take loop of A. If B mod C equals 0, then what we do is, we see out 2 first, and then we see out B minus 1, and then we see out B minus 9. What if it is 1? Chat, what if it is 1? Okay, first I have to write, after then I have to code, but I did not think about 1. 10 and 3. If 10 mod 2 is equals 0, then what I'll print is 10 mod 2 equals 0. I'll just print 10 minus 1, and okay. What if it is 1? And C not equals 1. If C equals 1, we just directly print the number. I think it should work. What if it is 1? So it can be multiple outputs. What is the minimum point x? Okay. Okay, you can jump to some integer t which ಅರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ರೀ, ನನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಓಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಸತ್ತಾಗ. Wait a second, it 10 ಐತೆ, 10 mod 3, 10 mod 3 but the number we go there should not be divisible by 2. Then what we do is we take less number than that. 10 is there, so 10 mod 2 is equals to 0, right? So what we do is we take 9 and 1, and 10 mod 3 which is not equal 0, so we take directly 1. What if 9 mod 3 is present, 9 and 3 are present, and now 8 and 1 we can take that. Okay, if a mod b is present and C cannot be 1, C cannot be 1, C cannot be 1, C cannot, it can be 1, K cannot be 1, I got that, so K will not be 1. So no need to take care of this, I did not read that. Reading question is very important, I got it now. Now what we do is, if it is divisible by 2, what we do is and 1 and 1. If it is not divisible, just see out 1 and see out B. Yes, let's copy this and submit it. 1837A. It should work, chat. Ah, we did it in our first attempt. We submitted our question. That's very impressive. It's very impressive. Yes, we did that. Now we officially solved one question. I think we have to go with this. Right, before that, let me check. Okay, in 15 minutes, that by seeing this time limit is 2 seconds, I thought it was very, very difficult question, but it was very easy to solve it. Let's go with this. Hurry. Twin permutation. So how many problems are left to do in this? Still 10 problems. If we did this, we are officially done with 800, so we can proceed with 900. I guess I can proceed with 900. Okay, let's solve this. You are given a permutation A of length n. Find any permutation B of length n such that, okay, we are given a permutation of A of length n, and we need to find any permutation B of length n such that A1 plus B1 is less than equals A2 plus B2. Okay, A1 plus B1, B of length n such that, where is P? Permutation B of length. Forgive me, guys. The dogs are barking outside. Find any permutation B of length n such that A1 plus 1. Is that making a lot of sound? If that is, is that permutation B of length n such that A1 plus 1. Is that making a lot of sound? If that is, wait a minute. Let me fix it. A minute. A 9 out of. Hi trader bro, welcome to the stream. I was saying that uh, one second. I was saying that there were some dogs barking there. I was saying that. That's why I paused it. I think they are gone now. By the way, welcome to the stream. trader bro. Find any permutation B of length n such that A1 plus B1 should be equals or greater than A2 plus, less than plus B2 and A3 plus B2. Okay, it can be proven that a permutation B satisfies the condition above always exists. We proven that permutation B that satisfies the condition always exists. Okay, a permutation of length n is an array consisting of no bro. What I was actually I was what we say that in English. My eyes were filling with tears while was watching screen and in class the board is of the TV, right? While watching that, there were a lot of tears coming out of my eyes. So that's why they were burning. So that's why I took it. It is just it does not contain any number. It's just for protection. Find any permutation B of length n such that okay a permutation of length n is an array. Show doctor. Show doctor. We'll see that. A permutation of n length is an array consisting of n distinct length n is array consisting of n distinct integers to n in arbitrary order. Uh, Permutation of length n is an array consisting of n distinct integers on to n in arbitrary order. For example, 2, 3, 5. 5, 4 is permutation, but 1 to 2 is not a permutation. Okay, is so is also not permutation array. If we sort it, that's it, right? You are oh, we have to make another array which will satisfy this condition. 1 1 which is equals for what we have to okay, using this itself we have to change it. We have given so they have given an array which is a and we have to make another combination using that such that the first and this 1 1 is less than 2 or equals to 2 and then 2 2 is equals to 4. We have to compare 4 with what? Okay, okay. I think we can do it. Bro, you are on 20th problem. Yes, we are at the 20th. It is because, but Ramal, by the way, welcome to the stream first of all. My friend told that you have not connected to Codeforces. You can connect, right? So when I connected, I got to know that I have solved some of the questions. Before that I was not connected to the Codeforces. When I connected, I got to know I have solved some questions. So we are now at twin permutation. By the way, where are you? But Ramulji, by the way, we were not in the yesterday stream, right? it can be proven that competition. Okay, okay, okay. We are good to go with this. Right now, me at 29th, and I am thinking to move. You moved very fast, bro. You were day before yesterday. You were at the 16th or something, right? No, 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 no. Ah, you are solving perfect. You're, you're doing many problems, I think, in a day. Guys, give me a second. I have to close my window. I'll come back in a second. We'll take an array. Panel, panel, panel. Okay, bye. You're going. One, two, four, five, three. We skip this one, two, three, four, five, four, seven. This month, not probably this month, but in 3 months. In 2 months actually, when I go to my college, right back to my college, I have to at least reach. I'm thinking to reach to cross pupil, because for a long time I'm doing this. So at least I have to cross that. Okay, you are already in, no, you are in newbie, right? You have to cross 1200 to reach pupil, I guess. Yes, you have to cross 1200. I'm thinking when I will be in my college, when in 1 week I will be in my college. So what I'm thinking is, in that month, in next month in August, I will try to reach to 1200, or in pupil. After that, in another 2 months, I will try my best to reach a specialist, I guess. Specialist, I know it is very difficult, but I will try to reach pupil when I go to my college. Right, 1450. Yes, that's what I am thinking. So in next 3 months, I have to reach specialist. For that, first next month I have to reach pupil. For that, I am trying my hard, trying my best to reach there. By the way, we are on the same boat. We have to work very hard for that. We will do that. Yes, same journey. Yes, same journey. Okay. One, two, four, five, three. Right. One, two, three, five. How can I change this? Let me take the fourth index. One, four, three, two. You can first, if we saw it, we want to change this side. What was another example? 1 2 4 5 3. Let's take 1 3 2 1 3. This is 4 4 4. 1 3 4 2, and this will be same. 1 5 4 2 6. 1 2 4 5 6. 1 7 8. Okay, 6. And this also. Okay, we can't do that. This is okay. We'll just get one of them wrong, I guess. What we can do is, I will take chat. It is better that I can use this, right? I can use this. Where it is? Oh, no, no. I'll forget that I'm streaming and just solve. I'll solve it. It's just a waste of time if I use Excel though. One 2 9 5 13 12 11. I have to fix it. There is a lot of numbers that I have to change. 1st, okay, wait. What I will do now is 1 2 4 5 3, right? Okay. 1 2, same as it is. 1 2 3 4 5, right? What I'll do, I'll just add it plus 1, which is less than or equals to plus 2. 2, 4, 5, 3. Add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's less. It is less. No, if this is not less, then I will change this. But I have to use those elements itself present in that array. Okay, what I will do is I'll take an array. One we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, right? And I will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I will do is I'll take first and the first I'll add them, which will be 2, 1 plus 1. Then we'll compare this. If it is greater than the previous one, if we add it, uh, if it is not, then we will just take the previous one index, and then we'll add it to this, so that we can just keep on swapping itself. One second, I'll try it once in my code. What I'm thinking here is array. No, I'll take it. D dot and D dot end of, right? Tell me in the end of this question. Okay, what? Wait, one second. Did you ask anything before this? Also, man, one thing, did you learn all the STL links Set map nested vector. I didn't learn. I didn't understand it while learning. Man, I got bored very soon. Yes. What I did was map pairing, unordered set. I learned, but I have not practiced them more. Even if I want to do them now, I have to see the syntax. But I have did them in my some exams because they used to give us. We have learned that in our syllabus. It was there. We learned it. Sometimes I forget them. I asked it, or just go and see my portal where they are present. Hmm. What we'll do now for what we will do is uh, array. I'm forgetting. I'll just add c index 0 to c index 1. If c index 0 plus c index 1, first I will take, okay, 1 here, int temp as index 0 plus c index d index 0, right? Now what we do is if c index j plus d index j is greater than or equals to temp, continue. Yes, what we do is swap off they what they said that they will be stopping the protest, and then but now they are telling it is already stopped, but now what they are saying is the FIRs have not been taken from the protesters. If not, they will do it again, but eventually they are sent home now. Swap d dot uh, d index j comma index j minus 1, I guess. I think it should. First, I will check what it's giving the output. Ah, what, what, what? What mistake did I do? Doing into vector. What is this error called? I'm seeing this for first time. Where did I do the mistake? Bad alloca. Did I take scene as input? No, I did not. That's why it's not. Okay, now it's coming. 1 equals 3 equals 4 equals 5 equals 3. 1, 2, 3. No, no, it should not. It should not. Should not. It should not. What it's doing now, what our code is doing now is array temp will always be same, right? I did not update it here. I think we did it. No, we did not. We did not. We did not. I think the loop, I guess, loop is 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. It should not do like this, right? 7, 10. But even if it was 3, 4, 4, it will be 9 and it will be 8. So it is greater. No, if it is less, no, if it is greater, it's okay. We can add it. Okay, we can do this. Now we have t index. Let's check it manually now. Just debug it. We have 1 and 1 in ourselves. What I are doing is we are checking the next one, which will be 2453 2345. This is 2. Temp is 2 now. If 4 is greater than equals to temp, then we are just going to update our temp to 4. Now we will be going to next one, which is 7. Is this greater? Yes. Then we just keep it temp, update our temp. Now is it 5 plus 4? No, we should not. We should not. Why should we add it? uh, Instead of adding this temp here, we have to add it above it. Above it. Yes. It was perfect here. What we have to do is we have to add here, I guess. I think it should work. No, it's not working. It's doing the same thing. I think I have to take a look at hint now. I think I am very close for it. Can you find a permutation B that makes all sum equals to a non-decreasing condition is automatically satisfied? Non, no, it is not satisfying. I tried it. The increasing order is not satisfying it. Choose C equals n plus 1. So bi equals n plus 1 minus ai is a valid permutation, and that makes ai plus. What is C here now? Choose C equals n plus 1. So bi is equals to n plus 1 minus ai. What is, okay, before looking at hint 3, what we'll figure out what C is. N plus 1, so n is 5. 6 minus this one. No, can't do that. Shit. Have to look at hint 3 then. For each ai, commute bi as n plus 1 minus ai. Ensure that ai plus bi is non-decreasing, leveraging permutation properties. ai compute bi. For each ai, compute bi as n plus 1 minus a index I, as n plus 1 minus a index I. 1 and 1 is 2, and n plus 1 is, what is n here? I think 5. 5 plus 1 is 6 minus its size 1, which will be 5. So n should be n. It's no, no, 5. Now if we go for second one, which is 2, then 5 plus 1, how will that be n? Let's take 1, ai as 1. So because we have 1, and what I'll do is I'll compute 1 to 1 n plus 1, which is 6 minus 1, which is 5. Now I'll compute it. 5, which will not make an permutation, right? Now this ensure ai plus pi is non-decreasing leveraging permutation. अरे हट रे. अरे chat, I am lagging at this small thing. I think I have to look at the code now. अच्छा ठीक है, took this. That's it. हाँ, बस इतना. 5. And now what I'll do, n is 5, right? 5 plus 1 is 6 minus a index I. Oh, a index I, a index 110, a index 1, right? Which will be 5. And then I index 1 is 2, which will be 4. And 5 4, which what he told, it should be in non-decreasing one, then it should be in increasing. 5 4, it is decreasing. Okay, one second chat. If we add the loop in reverse, 1 2 4 5 3, right? 5 4 3 2 1 6 6 7 7 4. Shit, why it doesn't work, chat, doesn't work. 4 3 2 1, it doesn't work like this. 5 7 5 3, it doesn't work. Shoot down. And n plus 1. Or I'll just ask GPT what's wrong in my code and what I am doing. Minus the inputs we take. What? Array, he is telling that minus. ये index I. How will I get that? Wait, I'll test it. Array, yes. 66666. I will try this to last one. 1432. 4, right? 4 plus 1 minus x. 5 minus 1 is 4. 1. No. Acha, now I got it. There was a formula for this chat, which I did not. I was just swapping the integers. I went with that method. What I'll do now here is we got it right. Yes, it's printing correctly. Okay, we got it. 1831A. It should get yes. They said that they will be stopping the protest, and then but now they are telling it is already stopped. But Now what they are saying is, I think the loop I n plus 1 minus what they are saying is, chat we solved three questions today, and we have to go with some more. Shall we? I think I have to go. I think it's reconnected, right? Yes, it's printing correctly. Today there are no people watching today. That's me watching me. We solved no. That's me watching me. Yeah, somebody came. Okay. Okay, chat. We have completed this twin permutation. This was good actually. It had some. I think I have to see it once again because. Okay, before solving this, I will see this once again because we have here, right? We took this length and we subtracted so that we make everybody's sum equal. Everybody's sum will be equal, right? Equal. It can be made like that. Yes, I only figured out that it should be less than. It should not be like that. It's okay. We'll go to this problem now. In Berlin, there are two types of coins having denominations of 2 and k balls. And now in Berlin, there are two types of coins having denominations of 2 and k balls. Your task is to determine whether it is possible to represent n balls. What is Berland coin currency or something like that? Right? K balls, okay. Your task is to know whether it is possible to represent n balls in coins, that is whether there exist non-negative integers x and y such that positive integers such that x and y such equal cell. We have having denominations of yeah denomination. Your task is to determine whether it is possible to represent n balls in coins. In coins. I'm assuming that denominations of 2 and k balls means just like we have 1 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin, there are 2 rupee 2 balls and k balls. So whether it is possible to represent n balls in coins like in 2s and k's. There he has given us k. K is given. Uh, X and Y we have to find out, right? What is n? N has he given? Yes, n is given. N is 5. Okay. So yeah, k n. So 2 plus 3 can be done there, and y is 1 and k is 3. So we'll take okay, k is given, right, 3, and now n minus 2 is present. N minus 5 is 2 is 2 multiple is 5 minus 3 modulus of 2 equals to 0, then it is present, then we print s present, and 2 is present, uh, is 5, no, is 2, for 6 minus 1 is 5, is 5 mod 2 equals to 0, no it is not. So when you can take 3 coins of denomination 2, alternately you can take 6 coins of k equals to, okay, either you can take either of them. Okay, first we will take k. If 5 minus if n minus k is mod 2 equals 0, then s is not 2, and if just n is mod 2, then we can directly print it. Multiple outputs can be presented as in multiple output here. One the yes or no అయితే yes అనేది ನೋಡೋಣ. What we will do now is if b just see out yes ಅರೇ ನಾ ಡಬಲ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಸಾಕೋದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ else if nas c c mod 0 and del ಎರಡು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ else if b minus c mod 2 equals 0, then c out else. Yes, yes, no, correct. Yes, 1814A. Expected. They give a very small input, right? These are very small input. I am supposed to calculate in this by. It's a very small input, just 10,000 lines of input. Just 10,000 lines of input. Array, I have a long, long right chat. Chat long, long right. Long, 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 long. Successfully chat. We have passed 4 questions without any error. This we will not consider this as error because I have not put long long here. We did 4 questions without any error. That's incredible. We finished points now. We finished coins, chat points. Re ಹನ್ನೆರಡು ಛೇ 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 we could have solved in the yesterday itself. We could have made it more dark. Let it be. We'll go to the next question. The today's questions are little bit easy, right? So whether it is possible, rain I double quote and expected. They give a very small input, right? These are very small input. I am supposed to calculate in this by. It's a very small input, just 10,000 lines of input. Just 10,000 lines of input. There I forgot to put in long long. I forgot that they will give that also. Okay, just speaking to myself. Nobody is there. We will solve. I think chat. We can solve if I sit now and just keep solving. We can finish 31 questions now itself, but we will try to solve till 26. Tomorrow, I will be able to solve 3 to 4 questions in the daytime, and in the stream, we can start with 900 900 question. think we can. Let's solve till 26 and end the stream. Okay. Yunqian. Yunqian is standing on infinite plane with Cartesian coordinate system on it. In one move, he or she can. Did I solve this question? No, I did not. I just she moves here, she comes here, she moves here, she moves here. So what is the displacement? No, the maximum distance she has moved, right? I think that is counted by saying output. In one move, she moved toward an adjacent point. Standing on an infinite plane with Cartesian coordinate system on it. In one move, she can move to diagonally adjacent point on array. Wait, I'll read it again. Ankina is standing on an infinite plane of Cartesian coordinate system. In one move, she can move to diagonally adjacent point on top right or adjacent point on top left. See, see. That is, if she is standing on point x comma y, she can move to point x plus 1, x plus 1 and y plus 1. She can move like this, or point x minus 1. Okay, she can move like this, or she can move like this. Okay, okay. I got it. She will move like this, then this, then this, and this. 2, 3, 4. 4, 5. Okay, okay. In Canadian initially stands on A comma B and wants to move to point C comma D. Find the minimum number of moves she needs to make or declare that it is impossible. In minus 1, it can be proven that it is impossible to move from point minus 1 comma 0 to minus 0. Okay, moves minus 1 comma 0, she is standing there, and then if she is going in minus, she'll go just left. 0 comma 2. In the first test case, one possible way Array, it is easy question, but I'm thinking very lot. Find the minimum number of moves or moves. Okay. In one move, she can move diagonally adjacent from one or another left line. That is, if she is on x y, she can either move x plus one y plus one or x minus one y. And Kenyan initially stands at point A, comma B. He has given us the A, comma B point. A B minus 1 comma 0 he is starting and he wants to move to C comma D minus 1 comma 2 minus 1 comma 2 ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಲೆ minus 1 mag 2 how can we move is so we have to Array, don't call me sir bro, I am just a second year student. Don't call me sir, it feels weird. By the way, welcome to the stream, and if you are new, please consider subscribing. Acha. Now we are in, this is minus 1, it both zoom where we are in, from which college? I am from NIAT Mangalore. NIAT Mangalore. Anapoya University. Okay. Minus 1 and 0. We are currently here. Chat. Now we have to move to minus 1 count to hang up. Minus 1. Array, no, sorry. My mistake. Is your new age college? Ah, yes, you figured it correctly. New age college, where we are the experimental for them. We are the experiment for them. Okay. आपको आप कहाँ से हो बेसिकली आई एम फ्रॉम कर्नाटका आप कहाँ से हो -1 e is here we have to reach -1 1 2 so basically you can go here then come here and then here but no then we have to go here 1 2 3 4 मैं KIT ओडिशा से हूँ ओके वन ऑफ आवर सर इज फ्रॉम ओडिशा इन आर कॉलेज अब आपके कॉलेज के नाम देखने से पता चलता है क्या आप CS कर रहे हो मेरा हिंदी बहुत ख़राब है भाई मेरी हिंदी बहुत ख़राब है 1 2 3 4 okay this is how we move right well let's take another example we have है ना बहुत ख़राब है ना मेरा हिंदी ओके आप फर्स्ट ईयर हो नाइस कॉलेज स्टार्ट हो चुका है क्या आपका he is here now we have to go 1 2 3 4 including होगा अच्छा 1 2 3 4 वाई? आपके होम टाउन से बहुत दूर है क्या आपका कॉलेज? आई होप सो, दूर ही होना चाहिए। 4,5, राइट? Why did I open it? I have to figure out something. अब भाई मैं वो कॉलेज पे 11th 12th भी किया हूँ। अच्छा, तो उसी कैंपस में है क्या वो? अमर ज्योति भाई, सही है भाई आपका ही। 11th 12th और इंजीनियरिंग भी। अरे 50 किलोमीटर दूर। मतलब आप 11th और 12th भी घर से बाहर पड़े हो, राइट? अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कर ले भाई। हाँ 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 हाँ, समझ गया, मैं समझ गया। अब CS ब्रांच ही हो ना? अगर हो गए तो हम दोनों साथ होंगे फिर, डिग्री खत्म होने तक। CS। आई होप सो आप CS डिग्री किसे हो। मतलब वो यूनिवर्सिटी MCA MBA MBBS लॉ BTech टैलेंट सब क्या क्या करा था भाई वो? सब करा था क्या? MCA MBA MBBS भी है उसी कैंपस पे, लॉ और BTech। एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी है आपका कॉलेज। बहुत पैसे बिकते हैं आपके कॉलेज वाले फिर। अब मुझे ये डाउट हो रहा है कि आपको मेरा स्ट्रीम सजेस्ट कैसे हुआ? आप तो अभी 12th किए हो ना? बाय NIT का फ़ी क्या होता है? कैंपस वाइज, यूनिवर्सिटी वाइज वो डिफ़र करता है। लाइक इफ़ आई वांट टू टेक इन बैंगलोर, उधर क्या है, 20, नो, सिर्फ रहने का, सिर्फ कॉलेज का 14 या 16 lakhs है। सब मिलाकर, सब मिलाकर, हाँ, 4th ईयर तक सब मिलाकर, हॉस्टल का भी मिलाकर मैं बता रहा हूँ 24 lakhs होगा 4 years का। अगर मेरे कैंपस की बात करें, 8 lakhs फीस है 4 ईयर के लिए, एंड देन हॉस्टल का अलग, सब मिलाकर 15 लाख होगा मेरा 4 ईयर के लिए, 4 years के लिए। मैं बे की जगह IT लिया हूँ। अरे भाई सेम, आई एम अ न्यू ड्रॉपर, तो देखता रहता हूँ। अच्छा, देखता रहता हूँ। अगर मेरे कैंपस का बात हुई, मेरा 8 lakhs है फॉर 4 years, एंड देन फॉर हॉस्टल इट इज़ अनदर 7 lakhs, 15 लाख होगा मेरा। अगर हम कोल्हापुर में है हमारे कैंपस, गिव मी योर लिंक्डइन आईडी, उसमें कुछ भी पोस्ट नहीं करता मैं। अगर आपको चाहिए तो मैं दे दूंगा, वेट रुको। तो वी शुड कनेक्ट, ओके। लिंक्डइन इधर है भाई। अरे डाउनलोड नहीं किया है मैं। अरे इट वॉज डाउनलोड। अरे अपडेट्स कर रहे हैं क्या? अपडेट अपडेट, वेट अ मिनट भाई, आपके लिए अपडेट भी कर देता हूँ मैं अभी। वो क्या है ना, आई थॉट टू मेक माई लिंक्डइन गुड एट 3rd और 4th ईयर। अभी क्या करने का है हमको? अरे सब क्या मांगता है वे? वेट, आई हैव इन माई फोन, मेरा फोन में है, दे देता हूँ। जीवन अगड़ी सर्च करो, मेरा नाम जीवन अगड़ी। इसमें लॉगिन हो जाऊँ क्या मैं? हाँ, ये देखो भाई, मेरा नाम, दिस इज माई आईडी। मैं कुछ भी पोस्ट नहीं किया, जस्ट मेरा स्किल्स क्या क्या लर्न किया है ना, वही जब ऐड करते गया हूँ। मेरे कॉलेज में है, सब भर दिए, सब लिंक्डइन भर दिया भाई। दिस इज माई आईडी। हो गया क्या? आपको मिल चुका होगा। हाँ भाई, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक। कैंपस वाइज डिफर करता है हमारा क्या, कॉलेज फीस बहुत डिफर करता है। द बेसिक एवरेज इज लाइक 12 lakhs। सिर्फ फीस की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, 4 years के लिए 12 lakhs होगा। लाइक आफ्टर माई 12th वी शुड कनेक्ट, मतलब आफ्टर माई 12th वी शुड कनेक्ट। मैं समझा है नहीं, मैं समझा नहीं भाई, सॉरी। क्या? Yun Canyon is standing on an infinite plane or with Cartesian coordinate system on it in one motion. Can मतलब मेरा 12th के बाद कैन यू गाइड मी फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर? देखो, मैं गाइड करने जितना तो बड़ा सीखा नहीं हूँ कुछ, लेकिन मुझे क्या बताते हैं कि आप डीएसए करो। और बाकी जो मेरे कैंपस में आते हैं ना, जो एनआईटी वाले बुलाते हैं, लाइक फॉर गाइडेंस पर्पस, दे मेक सम कॉन्फ्रेंसेस लाइक पॉडकास्ट और समथिंग लाइक दैट। सो व्हाट दे डू इज, जब भी वो आते हैं ना गेस्ट, सो जो क्या बोल सकता हूँ मैं, जितने भी गेस्ट आए हैं ना अभी तक, दे हाईली रिकमेंड अस टू डू डीएसए लाइक सीपी एंड बैकएंड। सो उसमें क्या क्या आता है, ये वही सीपी का मैं कर रहा हूँ ना, ये आता है। एंड बैकएंड में वेब डेवलपमेंट क्या है कि बैकएंड में वो फोकस करने के लिए वो बोलते हैं। एंड अगर हम सीपी करें, लाइक एक मैं कह रहा हूँ कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्रामिंग, आपको डीएसए में आपको हेल्प होगा, ये वो बता रहे हैं मुझे। सो एक डीएसए इज अ पार्ट ऑफ सीपी, ये बताते हैं मुझे। हाँ, वी कैन डू दैट, वी कैन कनेक्ट। मैं क्या है, स्ट्रीम पे रहता हूँ ना, आप आ जाओ कभी भी। इन्फिनिट प्लेन विद कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम। अच्छा, बाय एआईएमएल लूँ या कोर? कोर, आपकी कोर में क्या क्या है? लाइक एआईएमएल में सिर्फ एआईएमएल आएगा राइट? लाइक कोर में सो क्या होता है बेसिकली, हमारे में भी एआई है, लेकिन मेरा क्या है, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर है। हमारा सीएस में भी एक है एआईएमएल। हमारा सब्जेक्ट्स कब डिफर होता है, लाइक इन 4th सेम, लाइक इन दिस ईयर, at the after 6 months it will change। ओके, आप कोर ही ले सकते हो, मुझे उतने गाइडेंस नहीं है, ठीक है। मैं जब ले रहा था मैं एससी लिया, लाइक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर लिया मैंने। सो आप क्या करो, जो भी सीनियर्स होते हैं ना, जिसका सिलेक्शन हुआ रहता है, उनसे पूछो एक बार। एंड इफ़ यू आस्क मी, वो सब आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। पहले आपके कॉलेज के सिलेबस देखो, वो क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं। अगर AIML बता रहे हैं तो उसमें क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं, उसके हिसाब से आपके सीनियर्स को बताओ, या जो भी आपके सराउंडिंग में इंजीनियर्स होते हैं ना, लाइक भाई दीदी अच्छे वाले, उनसे पूछो कि हमारे सिलेबस ये है। एंड सो इससे क्या अच्छा हो जाएगा फिर, वैसे वैसा वगैरह पूछो। लाइक AIML में प्रॉपर LLMs बिल्ड करना होना चाहिए, नॉट जस्ट लाइक ऊपर ऊपर से बता दिया और फिनिश कर दिया, वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए। आजकल तो सब कॉलेज में बता रहे हैं हम AIML पढ़ा देंगे भाई, हम AIML पढ़ा देंगे। मेरे एक भाई है जो इस साल गया जिसे गया वो फील्ड ही, इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड ही छोड़ दिया। ऐसे ऐसे क्या हुआ उसके साथ, कंटेंट क्रिएशन पे चले गए वो। अच्छा। हाँ, ठीक है फिर। आई थिंक उसका मन होगा उस, लेकिन इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड ही छोड़ देने का मतलब ये नहीं कि उसको पसंद होगा, लाइक कंटेंट क्रिएशन उसका फेवरेट थिंग होगा, दैट्स व्हाई माइट बी शिफ्टेड। इसीलिए तो किया होगा उसने। मतलब भैया क्या आप ये कह रहे हो, उसके उसमें चांस नहीं है मिला, फिर वो कंटेंट क्रिएशन में घुस गया, ऐसे बोल रहे हो क्या आप? Standing on infinite plane with Cartesian coordinate system on it. In one move, she can move two diagonal. It's अच्छा। टड़न टड़न टड़न। आप करो बात करो, मेरे काम में ना तो 4 सवाल कर दिए आज। मुझे तो बस बात करनी थी आपसे ना। 2 मंथ से PPO के बाद छोड़ दिया। अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। हाँ भाई। आप आप अभी ज्वाइन कर रहे हो ना, क्या आपका एडमिशन ऑलरेडी हो चुका है? क्या आपका एडमिशन ऑलरेडी हो चुका है क्या? क्योंकि हमारा क्या है, जब मैं इधर NIT में ज्वाइन कर रहा था ना, वो प्रॉपर हमें सिलेबस दिए, लाइक हम 4 साल में ये पढ़ाएंगे, अगर इंडस्ट्री में कुछ और अगर नया इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ तो हम वो भी पढ़ा देंगे। जस्ट लाइक सिलेबस अपडेट कर देंगे, इन 4 साल में कुछ नया आया तो हम वो पढ़ा देंगे। देवर टोलिंग अगले साल होगा मतलब। अच्छा अच्छा। वो पढ़ा देंगे, लाइक अगर आप, हमें पता है कि उन 4 साल में वो हमें क्या क्या पढ़ाएंगे, हम उस हिसाब तैयार होंगे, ठीक है। अब अब आपको पता होना चाहिए कि वो उन 4 साल में वो आपको क्या क्या पढ़ाएंगे और क्या क्या नहीं पढ़ाएंगे। तो आप उस सिलेबस लेके तुम फिगर आउट कर सकते हो कि इससे जॉब मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा। आप बोले, आप अभी बोले अगले साल होगा, आपका एडमिशन अगले साल होगा। आपने तो बोला अभी रिपोर्टिंग इसी महीने या इसी साल होगा। वेट लेट मी चेक क्या हुआ। बट भाई के आई टी पे बिल्कुल नहीं है कंपटीशन, या कंपनीज बिल्कुल नहीं आते, क्या बोल रहे हैं आप? अच्छा आप अभी 12 पे हो क्या? बुच्ची 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 फ्लक्स ट्यूबर, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। अरे फ्लक्स ट्यूबर, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। आप अभी आए हो, एक बज चुका है अभी। अभी बोर हो रहा था इसलिए आ रही वर्किंग प्रोफाइल। नहीं भाई, आपने ये दूसरी बार पूछा है। मैं क्या कर रहा था, मैंने सवाल किए यार। उसके बाद मैंने सोचा मैं अमर 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 भाई से बात कर लेता हूँ। शाम ये कर रहे थे, राइट? ओके, जब तक अमर भाई वापस आ जाएंगे हम सवाल कर लेते हैं। पेन की नेम इज स्टैंडिंग ऑन इनफिनाइट प्लेन विद कार्टेज। अच्छे, ठीक 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 भाई। हाउ मच फार इट इज फ्रॉम minus minus 1. So to move from 0 to 2, right? So is 4. We have 0 comma 0 and we have to reach 4 comma 5. So till here we have to reach one more, no, 4 moves, and at the last move we have to take another 2 moves, but we don't have to change coordinates in x. -2 -1 1 1. So say y जाने के लिए -2 -1 0 1 2 3 3 है भाई। इसकी मार। 3, and then what I will do is if they both are same. Let me take a hand for it. To we can't. चैट में थर्ड हिंट भी देख लेता हूँ. इफ डेस्टिनेशन y is less than source y output minus 1, else move destination y to source x to destination y using left moves. First we will calculate if destination y is less than y. If destination y is less than minus y, then output minus 1. Okay, and then so we can't go negative, right? That's why we're printing minus 1. Then uh, now if destination y is less than source y, then it will print minus 1, and first we will calculate y moves. This, right? First we will take up destination y, and then first 4, then we will calculate x moves. 2, 2 and difference is 1. Difference is 1. 4 and difference is 0. So you can directly print 0. And 5. No, not like that. 5, right? So it is one move by 2, 2, 2. So x 2 increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ y 1 ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ x +2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I think chat I replaced my I think chat I replaced my network. Let's finish this problem and just sleep by नित्य भाड़ भरा देते भाड़ भरा देते नित्य 2 moves and then we have increased -1 by 1, then 2 4. अरे chat I got it, I guess. I think I got it. हिंट देखने के बाद में I got it, तो ये हाँ बताऊँ. Oh, ठीक है. First ये क्या टेम्प. Now what I'll do is chat. I'll go 5. Then it will be at 4, right? I've already increased. If C ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ first I'll take it moving from difference between C and E, and then what I'll take is टू ने ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ವೈ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೂವ್ಸ್ -2 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಟೆಂಪ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ದಾಗಿದೆ. ಟೆಂಪ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ABS ಆಫ್ C minus E, ಆಮೇಲೆ D equals b equals b equals abs of b equals now see out see out. Now if I increase 5 times, it will increase 5 times, right? 1. So b is now 0, temp is 5. Now what I'm doing is, now temp will be number of moves, I mean, 5. Then uh, b will also increase. B will also increase by temp, right? Now we have to just print. Now temp is already having 5. Just we have to add. Now it will be 5. You have to just take a difference between now another B added to it and then C. Now temp new equals ABS of B minus D plus temp. Now see out temp. I think it should print -1 0 -1 2 0 0 4 5. ನಾ ABS ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ABS ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡ. C is greater than E. C out. अरे नहीं भाई, दो if else condition is ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. So why coordinates low by B, B should be less. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲೈತಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು? E should, if E is less than C, then -1. C E ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ತಪ್ಪಾದೈತಿದೆ? Una. See, let me check for other outputs, guys, which is -3 2 -3 0 is 0, 2 -1 -1 -1, it's 3 1 1 0 2, it's 3. We have to figure it out just for uh just for this one. We are getting -1 is it greater? Array differently. Wait. I'll ask it. Because we are passing all the test case, we are failing in just the second one, right? We have to fix it there. Targeted D, okay. New Mexico code fix ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ದೋಸ್ತ. If D is less than B is even continue long. Just tell me where I have to fix my code. We are doing that itself. Int upmoves. Okay, we have to add another move here. We have to add upmoves e minus c. Acha, up moves we are calculating here. How much we have to calculate? Where we have temp temp. Here we are calculating. Now he is telling us to new x ಎಲ್ಲ ಆತೈತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ न्यू x ಇಲ್ಲ ಆತೈತೆ ठीक है ಇಲ್ಲ ಆತೈತೆ. Now we have to add another condition here. If b is less than d d d d d d d d ಎಲ್ಲೈತ್ಲಿಯಪ್ಪ ಈಗ ಬಿ ಹೊಸದೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದು ತೊಗೊಂಡು 4 ತೊಗೊಂಡು 0045 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 5 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. is 5 less than 4? Yes, it is less than 4. Then what we should -1, but our output b which is 0 plus 5 it will be -1. Then we can't print it. Then we will be Just take one. Oh, we are hitting it. ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೋದಪ್ಪ ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ? Is our B? No, we are B is not less than B because ABS is 5 and 5 is not C. D is 4 by D is 4 is D 4 is D 4. B is 0 by C is 0, E is 5, ABS is 5, temp is 5. Now B plus B equals 5 because B was 0, 5. It is 5 and D is 4 because I have given here 4 is 5 less than 4. No. Then we'll continue. Simple code ಅಲ್ಲಿಯಪ್ಪ ಇಷ್ಟು simple code bro, it's simple code. Correct it. 1806A 1806A submit chill ಹೊಡಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅರ್ರೆ ಭಾಯ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕನ ಲಾಂಗ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕನ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಅರೆ why we are doing this? हमारे एक्स्ट्रा आउटपुट दे रहा है क्या कोई? ओ आई गेस इसको एल्स में डालना है क्या? If caught it completely. It should get submitted. Yes. Submit ಆತ್ 1 2 3 4 5 55 ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಯವು. ಓ ಫುಲ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಆತು. ಬೆಂಕಿ ಇದು ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಚ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಇದ್ರ ಗತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕು ಭಾಳ ಆತು ಇವತ್ತು. ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಐತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಬೇಡ ಸಾಕು guys, I think we have to end the stream now because it already 1:30 in the morning. So today's stream was actually stagnant. Nobody came. I think everybody was busy in their work. I guess tomorrow, these are working days, right? They'll be busy. Okay, what we will do is we will end this stream and we will be back with another stream tomorrow. So yeah, this is the time to end our stream. I guess we will meet tomorrow. Bye.